Hi everyone, welcome to our first episode of ND Speaks of the 2023-2024 school year. I'm Menti Vidata, I'm in grade 12 and I'm your equity and inclusion rep. And, excited to be back, new podcast episodes, new friends, new guests. Do you guys want to introduce yourselves?
Of course. Hi guys, I'm Chloe. I'm in grade 12 and I'm one of your co-presidents on student council for this school term.
I'm Alex and I'm the grade 11 rep.
Hi, I'm Mary and I'm your grade 9 rep.
How has it been being a grade 9 rep? Because I know you just came out of elementary school.
It's been really fun. It's like new and like student council is like really nice, like friendly and like welcoming. So it was like pretty nice.
What's your favorite thing so far?
Like the bonds, like I made friends like in like other grades and stuff, and you guys are like really fun. So
She's not being forced to
Yeah, you had a really busy first few weeks, right?
Mhm,
You
yeah.
had G9G and then straight into elections.
yeah,
How was G9G? Because
it was really cold, but like it was nice. I made like new friends in my cabins. Like I just met new people and stuff like that.
yeah, that's good. We have a few, G9G leaders here.
Yeah.
How was that?
It was definitely a good like way to interact and like bond with the grade 9s and like get a good relationship with them, like especially like coming in so we can bring up the spirit in our school again.
Yeah.
So.
Yeah, I feel like it definitely gave them like a taste of like what Dame Spirit
For
is
sure.
like. And I feel like they actually did end up enjoying our skit that the leaders put on.
Oh yeah, how is it being Chattanooga? How's the the aftermath here at Dame?
The aftermath. I mean, it's great. I love all the grade 9s. They're all like so
They're-
sweet.
Yeah, they're so cute about the whole thing. And
Yeah.
like I'm glad that it was something that they were able to bond over. And I mean, like, I don't know if Chad and Noah will ever like go away, but like it's exciting because even some of the grade 9s were like, oh, I'm so excited to like be a volunteer, like be a leader at
Oh, that's
G9G
Yeah.
next year, which is like it's
Yeah,
like,
yeah,
yeah.
that's really
Definitely like the preparation part. There were a couple late nights like
Yeah,
at the school
too
leading up
late.
to it. It was like stressful because it was like we were worried it wasn't even gonna. We were
Yeah.
definitely still like even rehearsing when we got there.
When we got there,
there were
like,
some changes to the script of the day.
there
of.
was a lot of nerves of like, are they even gonna like this? Like, are
Yeah,
they gonna
it
think
was
it's
definitely-
bad? Like, are they gonna think it's cheesy because we're like playing as Neil guys? Like, how are they gonna see it? But we're just glad it was a hit,
I
honestly.
definitely
Yeah.
think you guys
We loved it.
took it well.
It's really
yeah.
good.
yeah, very.
That's good. Because I know we had a very busy September. You
Yeah,
guys came back
very,
from G9G
for
and
sure.
we went straight into assembly planning, which I think assembly was great. Like I personally, I loved assembly. How do
Yeah,
you
I
think it
think
went?
that's
Because
it.
I know you have like past experience of assemblies.
I mean, like assemblies, like assembly preparation in general, like even last year was like really, really stressful, but like it was even harder because of like the timeline that we had.
Mhm.
Like last year, our first assembly was a Halloween assembly, but this year it was a welcoming assembly. So we didn't have much time to prep and like get together with the council, but I think we pulled through and
Mhm.
it seemed to be that people enjoyed it and like we're even complaining that it wasn't long enough.
Yeah.
So we're just like very excited to be hosting like assemblies hopefully later on if they get approved. But yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah,
I
we
think it was like received really well.
Yeah,
Which
I
is
like.
especially yeah.
I like really liked that we did a lot of like stuff like with the audience.
Yeah,
it was very
yeah.
it was
There's,
very
like,
it was more interactive than
for sure.
Mhm.
our assemblies
Yeah.
last year for sure, which
100%.
was good.
Yeah,
Yeah.
because in the past it's been like they're obviously like, always like entertaining, but it's like good to include like people in it because
Yeah.
they feel more like
Included in like
yeah,
part of the
exactly.
thing. Yeah.
Like, they,
Yeah.
like
My
chill.
personal opinion, my favorite part of the assembly was the pie ink, grade
Oh my
reps.
God.
How was that? Because I know the cleanup was,
It was good.
It
Yeah.
was rough.
It was
There's
rough.
right
Yeah,
in
yeah.
the gym floor.
I think there's still pie in my ear, like literally everywhere. Like pie was everywhere.
Yeah, but the pie like ended up melting backstage.
Yeah,
Yeah.
And
and
it
we
just
like
like
ran out
smelled
of
like
whipped cream.
expired milk.
Yeah, also
Nah,
because we had
everywhere.
like coconut whipped cream, so it was like it made us literally smell like coconuts. It was just like we're gonna need to get them back.
Yeah.
It was so funny seeing
Oh.
Alex after though.
yeah, I know. I walk into the bathroom. She's sitting there with her face wash, scrubbing her
Yeah, I
face.
got literally face had my
she
like,
got
Cetaphil.
the
Yeah.
worst because like even like Mary, like she got like a little bit, but like Alex was like
Alex was in her
Everywhere.
hair. It was
In her
everywhere.
ear.
Yeah.
And whatever.
Bro, it
Mine
was
was like
so-
wiping me down after.
I was like trying. She was like trying to open
I had to
her
like
eyes.
call to get a drive. I was like, I can't walk
so
out
funny.
like this.
Yeah. Like
No,
the
but-
whipped cream got in your eye and I was like, Like I was like
Yeah.
flinching.
But
Yeah.
Mary, I was like surprised that your grade was so loud.
Yeah, I
Oh my
thought
God.
grade
We
9s
knew
were
they
the
were
quietest.
crazy.
From
Yeah.
G9G, but like they like kept going.
Yeah,
Like,
they were.
They were
Honestly, I think they were
crazy.
louder than the grade 12s.
I'm very excited for your grade. I hope you know that.
Yeah,
Like
yeah.
leading up to senior year, like you guys are crazy.
Yeah.
But
like, yeah,
it's
we also
good.
have,
You're
like, a
very
big
like
grade.
school.
That's true,
spirited.
yeah.
Which
Hopefully
is
we'll
good.
get like the same energy from like years to come. I
Yeah,
think it's like
yeah.
coming back. Like I feel like because of like COVID, the spirit was like kind of down.
Mhm.
People weren't as like interactive. Also, like people didn't get to go to open house. I know like a lot of people like came to choose to come.
Oh yeah, open house was
choose-
great.
Chose
Yeah.
to come.
Yeah, but I
from
feel
open
like
house, but
yeah, Dame always like does really well
Yeah.
at open house. Like
the
and,
open
like,
house
yeah.
last year was
Yeah.
amazing.
even like my sister wasn't even like gonna plan to go to Dame, and then she came to the open house and she really liked it. So I think it's like a factor for a lot of people.
Yeah.
So if we didn't like when we didn't have it, it was like a decline in like how many people were coming.
Yeah,
So
there
it's
was-
like definitely good to see that it's like having
Coming
a positive
back.
impact.
Yeah,
Yeah.
for sure.
Yeah,
Your
gym
grade
was-
is big.
My grade?
Yeah, it
I
is.
know. But they loved the open house. Like last year was amazing. Like the cookies were like delicious.
Yeah,
Always the
cookies are definitely the best
every
part.
single year. They're
Yeah.
like, I came for the cookies.
Yeah.
Okay.
But the gym was packed this open house. Like I
Yeah,
know
it
you
was, like,
guys were
people
emceeing.
standing
Like
up.
when I was on this,
Yeah,
like
yeah.
it was packed. There was
Yeah,
a
it
lot of
was.
people. Yeah.
Yeah, I know people who didn't weren't thinking of coming to get Dame, but they came to the open house and they were like, "I'm like coming to Dame."
Yeah, I love the open house at Dame.
A
Yeah.
couple people I talked to some
Yeah.
of the grade 8s.
Yeah.
They said the same.
Yeah.
And then to wrap up, September or just the beginning of the school year, we had walkathon, which I didn't get the chance to go, but I heard it was really fun. Chloe, how was it?
No, walkathon was great. Like the vibes were very much there, and like, I mean, the walk up was like I was fighting for my life. I was actually like taking lunch steps up the hill. The funny thing is like the Neil guys were also like they had like a gym class like
yeah.
walking down and walking up, so I was kind of like trying to beat them. So like you want to set the pace, but like honestly, like the vibes were there. Madison brought her speaker, so like we were just like jamming out.
Yeah.
And like I don't know, it was just like fun overall. But like even like the dance circle after,
Yeah.
Yeah, the gym looked
it was like
packed.
It was
Yeah.
packed and like
And oh my gosh, the
good.
raffle prizes,
we're crazy,
crazy.
Yeah. Like I don't
Tiffany
even-
Co bracelet, that one actually kind of blew me away. I know
Yeah,
the
I
other
know.
ones are like a bit like more pricey,
but it was like Apple Watch.
yeah,
and then
Apple
it was
Watch, like
all of a sudden it was like Tiffany bracelet.
Yeah.
I'm like, oh,
it was.
I didn't know we were
really
on that
stepping up our
level right
game.
now. Like,
Yeah.
good for Dame, I
For
guess.
sure.
Good for
Yeah, I
athletic
know.
council.
Athletic council really ate that.
No, I like talked to Gwyneth, the co-president. And I was like, I came up to her. I was like, I'm not gonna lie, like you kind of did really, really good with this. And then she's like, I can't tell if you're being serious or not because you're on student council. I'm like, no, like I actually enjoyed myself. Like this was
Yeah.
good. And like
Yeah.
because like we're seniors now, like that was our last chance to do walkathon. So I'm glad that I was able to do it at least once in my high school career.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think
Shoulda
we had
came,
a really,
Betsy, bro.
I should have came. Yeah, you're right.
That hill was like I had to recover for a bit, but then I started dancing again.
I had to recover. Like I was like in the gym. I like walked out. I came back in. Like I had to take like
Yeah.
breathers.
I was in,
had
like,
to go
heavy
outside,
breaths. I was
take
like,
breathers.
like for a second, I was like drinking. Like,
No,
water.
Mary, I saw you like being pushed into the circle, and then all of a sudden you're in the middle. You're just like, I was like,
Yeah.
go, Mary.
Yeah, I heard that. That was really fun.
It was
Like
funny.
dance was like amazing.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think we had a really like busy first few like weeks of school,
Yeah.
but it was really fun. I liked it.
For sure.
No, I think
Yeah.
September was just like it was stressful, but like
also
worth
went
it.
by
It
like
was-
really fast. I
It,
feel
it did go by really
Like,
fast.
we're
I was
already
looking at my
midway through
calendar.
October.
It was like that's
No,
like
yeah.
40 days now. We've like almost 50 days
Yeah.
into school.
That's like
Yeah.
crazy.
Crazy.
Mid-October is like where did the time go?
Yeah.
Honestly,
But there's a lot coming up too. I'm really excited for what's coming.
I'm very
Yeah,
excited.
same.
I'm very excited. Yeah. Keep
Keep
it on the low.
Do you mean like student council events or like in
Student council
general?
events and like athletic
Like,
council,
oh,
all
athletic
the other
council.
stuff.
I'm
yeah,
so
yeah.
excited for Spirit Week.
Yeah.
Guys, the seniors are gonna actually go like
We are.
crazy. Like I've been waiting since my purple grade 10 phase.
Yeah, I've been stocking up on yellow.
I have my yellow tutu.
I'm investing in yellow.
Oh, something that's really cute is like some of the seniors like from last year give like the grade 11s their tutus,
Oh,
which is really cute.
yeah, that is
So,
cute. Are you ready? Are you ready, Alex, to represent?
You know, I'm ready.
What
Our
color are you
grade-
guys? Grade
Red.
11s. You guys are red, and you guys are green.
Green, yeah.
and
but-
then grade 10s are purple.
yeah.
I'm so excited. Mary, you're gonna experience color day. And you're
Yeah,
gonna be
color
like,
day
this
is
it was like
fun.
your
Yeah,
top
color day is so
memory.
fun.
I don't know what
It's
floor we
so-
have though, but like we're gonna go all out. I
Don't
feel.
you guys
I think
have, like,
everyone's
like-
talking about it already.
Isn't it like the back of the school?
You get
No,
the-
yeah,
Mary, you guys get the parking lot.
really?
Yeah.
You're lying.
And like
Okay, the
there was
parking lot's gonna be full of
the-
green then.
Mary, there was like one year where like they put like a green tarp down.
That was it. That was it. It was
was
just
our
a green
grade.
tarp.
Nobody gets. So like the green tarp was good, like main, right?
She said it. Alex said like the tarp was her grade. That's
Yeah,
crazy.
our
It
school,
was
our
like-
grade. We gotta step it up with
Yeah,
the
It was
spirit.
like-
gotta
it was
bring the
it was like a
spirit. Gotta
tarp
bring the
with, like-
spirit.
with like a stuffy like green Christmas tree in the middle or
I
something.
hope
It was,
all
like,
the
or
grade
something
11s
really
that
good.
are listening know that I was literally telling all of student council that I knew I was gonna get pied. So we need to bring up the
Yeah,
spirit.
we kind of
Yeah.
knew
So-
the grade. Yeah, we kind of knew your grade wouldn't have the spirit. So yeah, they need to. Everyone needs to bring the spirit. Honestly,
Yeah.
Mhm,
Dame is
for
like
sure.
all about spirit.
Exactly.
Yeah,
Yeah.
honestly, especially the open house.
I think we just have
Mhm.
a very like small grade.
Yeah.
Also because of like
Yeah,
even, like
you
open
and
house.
yeah, Miss Madeira said like the grade 10s and the grade 11s are like
yeah,
the smallest grade.
Yeah,
Yeah.
exactly.
Like you guys
So
have
it's
like
hard to-
100 and then like our grades have like 140.
Yeah.
So
Yeah,
it's okay. You're getting there, Alex.
Yeah,
You're
don't
getting
worry.
there.
but you know we'll see.
We're
Once we get
trying.
there, we'll see. But you know these past few weeks have been really fun. I'm excited for the coming months. Thank you
Very
all for
excited.
coming. You know,
Thank you for
having us.
hosting.
thank you.
Amazing host here.
So excited to have you guys back for our next podcast episode. Thank you for listening.
Yay!
That was actually amazing, guys.